All right, everyone, welcome back to Amazing Abner. This is Tom, and for those of you that do not know, I am an eBay reseller. That is the primary focus of my channel. However, I did start, we have one episode in the books, a trading card opening series, and we did a blaster box of Score, NFL 2020 Score, and didn't really get too much out of that. My primary goal for these unboxings, if you will, is to find a Joe Burrow rookie. We did get the Garden Variety Ohio State Joe Burrow rookie in the Score box. Other than that, we did get a Kyler Murray where it has a little piece of his jersey on there, but it's not really going for anything. So we're looking for Joe Burrows, and we are looking for things that we can sell. Things that would be valuable. So I have these 4 boxes in front of you. I'm also trying this different angle, hoping this works better. The first video my son recorded, we kind of did a standing unwrapping, and I just wasn't pleased with the angle. It wasn't the type of quality that I want to bring you here on Amazing Abner. So I've got the headset on. I'm at my computer desk. Audio quality should be much better. We're going to select one of these boxes, and I think I'm going to go with this Sage box. It intrigues me because it says 3 autographs in every box, and that would be really cool to get a Joe Burrow autograph. But I think for this video, we are going to go ahead and go with eeny, meeny, miny, mo. How about rookies and stars? I think that sounds good to me. The 2020 Panini Rookies and Stars. 1 memorabilia card per box on average. So fingers crossed that we get a memorabilia card of Joe Burrow. However, I'm not going to complain. If we got Patrick Mahomes, I'd be okay with that as well. So without further ado, let's get going here. And as we open this box, let's kind of pinch our backdrop together here, make it look a little nicer. There we go. And I don't know if the plain white background is the way to go. I don't have a whole lot of room between the edge of the desk and the cards here, so I have maybe a foot to work with. Find 2 blaster exclusive red parallels per box on average. Maybe that'll be a Joe Burrow as well. So there we are, 7 packs, which is kind of an odd number. Put our rookies and stars on the top there, and let's start opening. And I struggle with opening the cards. I'm so afraid. Well, this opened really nice. The Score was very difficult to open. I thought it was just how rusty I was. Okay, so, and hoping that we're not too blurry here. So we got a Rookies and Stars, Cam Newton, the bad man himself, Aaron Rodgers, James Conner. Had him on my fantasy football team, and I was a little disappointed this season. Michael Thomas, fantastic player. Drew Lock, who I wanted the Bengals to draft a couple years ago. All right, Daniel Jones. We have an action-packed Stephon Gilmore. A Ticketmasters, Arizona Cardinals, DeAndre Hopkins. A Jordan Love rookie. And some kind of access code. I don't even know what this is, but we'll deal with that later. What do we got right out of the gate here? Christian McCaffrey, Josh Allen, Jared Goff, Joey Bosa, Julian Edelman, Kenny Golladay, Juju Smith-Schuster, In Ovations, Super Bowl champion Patrick Mahomes. That's kind of a nice card. Got it numbered on the back. It seems blurry to me. Okay, I'm hoping this is a little bit better. I had, and I can see it's jumping now. It looks like it's a little more crisp, so I do apologize for the first two pack openings. I had autofocus turned off on my camera, and now with it on, hopefully we can see some of these cards a little bit better. And hopefully it's not going to be too annoying with that jumping back and forth that it is apparently doing. So anyway, after Patrick Mahomes, we've got a Tyler Johnson, and we've got Isaiah Hodgkins. It becomes very difficult. Okay, Alvin Kamara. Derrick Henry. Jimmy G. Nick Chubb. Teddy Bridgewater. DJ Shark Jr. Again, I mentioned it in the first unwrapping video, the score blaster box. This guy here, when he played the Bengals earlier this year, I thought was maybe the best wide receiver I've ever seen. Chandler Jones Jr. Or I said Junior. Roy Jones Jr., I guess maybe I'm thinking of. Chandler Jones. We have an action-packed Myles Garrett. Rookie Rush, Jalen Reagor. KJ Osborne from the U, rookie card. And another one of those codes. Nor have we had any red parallels, so we should get some nice cards here in these last four packs. And I see a nice one on the back, but we'll save that for last. And this, you can see my stack is split. So there's something nice here, something thick. All right, Keenan Allen. Xavier Howard, hopefully I'm not saying that wrong. Matthew Stafford. Being a Bengals fan, not one of my favorites, but Big Ben. But he is a hell of a quarterback. And he's from Miami of Ohio, so a little bit of love there for Big Ben. Drew Brees. A.J. Brown. Ryan Kerrigan of the Redskins. Action-packed T.J. Watt, another Steeler and another fantastic player. Oh, well, yeah. Well, with what's happened to old Dwayne here lately from Ohio State, I don't know how valuable this card is, but Dwayne Haskins, Rookies and Stars with a piece of his jersey. But there we go. We'll take Dwayne. Okay, and we finish this pack off with C.D. Lamb. Nice rookie C.D. Lamb. That's a nice card. So we have 3 packs remaining. No Joe Burrows yet, but we have not received a red parallel. Now, let me stop before I open this pack here. I've been out of the trading card game for 30 plus years. I was a big baseball card fan. I mentioned that in the last video. I collected sets and all kinds of cards of primarily baseball when I was in my teenage years. So and never really NFL. So I've got to get back into the swing here. I might see cards or, I think it's pretty obvious to tell when you get a good card in these packs, but, until I really get in the game, so to speak, I could pass by something and not even know it's of any value. So no, well, we do have another break. So that's interesting. We're just looking forward to that. All right, Baker Mayfield staying in the AFC North. Todd Gurley. Gardner Minshew, a.k.a. Minshew Mania. Larry Fitzgerald, that is a classy guy right there. Hell of a wide receiver. Austin Eckler. Devontae Parker. Khalil Mack. What is a Tom Brady Ticketmasters? Anything with Tom Brady, you can't go wrong with that. Got a Rookies and Stars Lamar Jackson Airborne. This is wow. This is a nice card. It's a different feel from the others. It's a shiny, kind of a plastic feel. So that's kind of cool. Put that in the good pile. Josh Usay. I apologize, Josh, if I'm saying that wrong. Rookie card. And then another code.